Making money with mini woodworking projects offers a unique opportunity for creative individuals to turn their passion into profit. The woodworking craft is not just a fulfilling hobby. It also has the potential to generate income through the sale of small, functional, and aesthetically pleasing items. With the right approach, skills, and market awareness, anyone can embark on a journey to create and sell mini woodworking projects that could lead to a profitable venture. The appeal of mini woodworking projects lies in their versatility and accessibility. These projects often require minimal materials and tools, making them ideal for beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike. The small size of these items allows for easier handling, transport, and storage, which can streamline the production process. Additionally, mini woodworking projects often cater to a wide range of consumer needs, from home decor and organizational solutions to gifts and personalized items. This diversity creates numerous avenues for generating income. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of easy mini woodworking projects to create and sell for profit and unique small furniture ideas you can make at home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. To succeed in making money with mini woodworking projects, it is essential to identify a target market. Understanding the needs and preferences of potential customers can help guide the types of products to create. For instance, individuals looking for unique home decor items may be interested in handmade wooden signs, picture frames, or decorative shelves. On the other hand, those seeking practical solutions for organization might appreciate small storage boxes, wall-mounted racks, or desk organizers. By aligning your projects with market demand, you increase the likelihood of sales. Another crucial aspect of making money through woodworking is developing a unique selling proposition, USP. In a competitive market, standing out from the crowd is vital. This could involve offering custom designs, using high-quality materials, or incorporating sustainable practices into your projects. For example, creating personalized items that feature customers' names or special dates can add sentimental value and differentiate your products from mass-produced alternatives. A strong USP can not only attract customers, but also foster brand loyalty and repeat business. Marketing plays a significant role in the success of any woodworking venture. In today's digital age, online platforms provide an excellent opportunity to showcase and sell your work. Social media channels like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook can help you build an audience and promote your mini woodworking projects. High-quality photos and engaging content can captivate potential buyers and drive traffic to your online store or website. Additionally, joining woodworking communities and forums can provide valuable insights, networking opportunities, and potential collaboration prospects. Setting up an online shop on platforms such as Etsy or Shopify can further facilitate sales. These platforms cater specifically to handmade and unique items, making them an ideal choice for selling mini woodworking projects. They provide built-in traffic, allowing you to reach a broader audience without the need for extensive marketing efforts. Ensuring that your online shop is visually appealing and easy to navigate can enhance the shopping experience for potential customers, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Pricing your mini woodworking projects appropriately is another crucial factor in making money. Conducting market research to understand the average price range for similar products can provide valuable insights. Consider factors such as material costs, labor, and overhead expenses when determining your pricing strategy. It's essential to strike a balance between affordability for customers and profitability for yourself. Offering limited-time promotions or discounts can also attract initial buyers and create a sense of urgency. Building a strong brand identity is essential for long-term success in the woodworking business. Your brand should reflect your values, style, and the quality of your products. This includes developing a memorable logo, consistent packaging, and a cohesive online presence. A well-defined brand can evoke emotions and create connections with customers, leading to increased trust and loyalty. Sharing your story and passion for woodworking can also resonate with potential buyers, making them more inclined to support your venture. Networking with other woodworkers and artisans can provide valuable opportunities for collaboration and learning. Joining local craft fairs, farmers markets, or woodworking expos can expose your work to potential customers and allow you to connect with like-minded individuals. These events can also serve as a testing ground for new ideas and products, helping you gauge market interest before fully committing to production. In addition to selling online and at local events, consider exploring wholesale opportunities. Partnering with local shops, boutiques, or galleries can expand your reach and introduce your mini woodworking projects to a new audience. Wholesaling involves selling your products at a discounted price to retailers, who then mark up the price for resale. This approach can lead to consistent orders and establish long-term business relationships. Creating a diverse product line can also enhance your income potential. While specializing in a particular type of project can establish your brand, offering a variety of mini woodworking items can attract a broader customer base. Seasonal items, such as holiday decorations or gifts, can create additional sales opportunities throughout the year. Additionally, introducing limited edition products can create excitement and urgency, encouraging customers to make a purchase. As your woodworking business grows, consider investing in your skills and knowledge. Attending workshops, online courses, or woodworking classes can enhance your craftsmanship and introduce you to new techniques. Continuous learning can lead to improved product quality and innovation, keeping your offerings fresh and appealing to customers. Staying updated on industry trends and consumer preferences can also inform your product development and marketing strategies. Customer feedback is an invaluable resource for refining your offerings and improving your business. Encourage buyers to leave reviews and provide suggestions for future projects. Engaging with your customers and responding to their feedback can foster a sense of community and loyalty. Satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your products to others, leading to organic growth through word-of-mouth marketing. In addition to the financial benefits, creating mini woodworking projects can offer personal fulfillment and satisfaction. The act of transforming raw materials into functional and beautiful items can be deeply rewarding. Each completed project represents a tangible accomplishment, and the joy of seeing others appreciate your work can be incredibly motivating. This passion for woodworking can also serve as a creative outlet, allowing you to express your artistic vision and skills. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, easy mini woodworking projects to create and sell for profit and unique small furniture ideas you can make at home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.